What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name's Talon, and the goal of this channel is really just modifying all of my cars. Absolute biggest question I get is how much do I pay per month to afford 6 different cars at 22 years old? Answer that question today, but first, gotta go pick up a new modification for one of the cars. It's not for the Mustang, it's not for either of the E90s, not for the Audi or the van. That only leaves us with one option, and it's the F30. I haven't modified that car in a while because I've been so caught up with the E92. I've been keeping up with the channel. We just recently picked up this E92 for $10,000 and we've just started the build series on it. So far, it's been an absolute blast making videos on this car, and if you enjoy those videos, stay tuned because next Saturday we're dropping the next one and it's an absolute heater. Without further ado, let's go hop in the old Mustang here and go pick it up. Before we get into that, I need everybody to hit subscribe. We're getting so close to 5,000 subscribers, which is crazy because I started this 4 months ago. Really trying to push for 10,000 by the end of the year. And I'm gonna be giving away this e-scooter and this e-bike to one of you guys. They're both brand new, never been used, valued at about $3,000 altogether. So if you like my videos and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button right now. We post all the time. So for those of you who are interested in the Mustang videos, don't worry because we've got a bunch of things planned for this thing. I got a whole bunch of new mods that are already on the way. And eventually, I don't want to speak too soon, but hopefully by the start of next year, we'll be boosting it. I'm sure I'll probably get some comments about why I haven't done that already. I don't have any sponsors, bro. Like, you see all these guys like Jake Schnatter and them, who are obviously, they have way more money than I have and they're doing way better, whatever. But they also have sponsors. And I feel like a lot of people don't realize that lots of their parts are free, which is great for them. Like, honestly, like really, I'm super, you know, I'm not proud. I don't know them personally, but you know, I'm envious, I guess, of where they're at. It's great that they're getting free stuff and I hope they get bigger in the future. But I'm not there yet. So, you know, I can't be pumping out these videos like they do. Anyways, I'm ranting. Let's go get this part. Okay, so we just got back with the new mod, and it's probably not what any of you guys are expecting, but let me just show you. We've got new center caps for the F30. Now, I know it's a small mod, and it's probably not what anyone was expecting, like I said, but this is totally going to change the look of the car. Right now, we've got these ugly black ones on there, and I've been wanting to take these off for so long. I've just been waiting to find some proper center caps. I was going to order some floating ones on eBay or whatever, but I'm low-key not spending 130 bucks on center caps, bro. These were like 30 on Facebook. Now, the next issue is I'm not really sure how to get them off. I've seen some people use duct tape, so I think I'm gonna try that, and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Okay, so here's our concoction, and I'm not gonna lie, I have very little faith in this, but I think we're gonna send it. Let me see if I can do this with the camera. Well, that was disappointing. That was super embarrassing. I think I'm gonna try that again. If not, we're gonna have to go back to the drawing board here, boys. Well, after a lot of prying, I ditched the duct tape. We did end up getting them off. So let's go ahead and slap these new ones in here, boys. And bam! Oh, fuck. Okay, we got it. I thought I broke it for a second. And number 2 is in. Let's get this plastic off here. Check that out. That actually looks pretty tough, bro. The only thing I don't really like about it is the silver ring around it. No, that's pretty hard, actually. I like those. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave the other 2 out for now because it's up against the wall and I don't really feel like moving it. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked on those. For 30 bucks, makes quite a big difference, to be honest. But with that out of the way, I think let's get straight into the topic of today's video. Now, I think we'll go ahead and get started from cheapest to most expensive. So that means our first one is gonna be my 2007 E90 328i, and I paid $5,000 for this car. Now, we bought this car as a project car for the YouTube channel. You can actually go check those videos out in the description if you want to. Well, obviously, I don't have a payment on this car. And as far as insurance goes, it's only got storage insurance on it, which is like 40 bucks a month, I think. So yeah, I mean, minus all the mods and work we've had to put into it, it's 40 bucks a month for this car, which yeah, is basically nothing, so. Now, next up, we've got the old detailing van, and I paid $6,500 for it. Now, I bought this van in hopes to start a detailing business, but that idea kind of dwindled out of my head. So right now, it really just sits here and collects dust with thousands of dollars of tools in the back. But obviously, don't have a payment on this either. Bought it in cash. So yeah, as far as insurance goes, I just have basic insurance on this, and I think it's 100 bucks a month, I think. So I just checked, and it's $112 a month for this van. Next up on the list, we've got my absolutely stunning 2007 E92. Now, I paid $10,000 for this car in cash. So again, no payment on it. But insurance wise, we're paying about $120 a month for this one. And on top of that, I spend about $100 to $150 on gas each month for this car. And it is worth it. I've been absolutely loving this car so far, bro. I've had the E92 335 before, but it did not run as well as this one did, especially the turbos. So yeah, I've been taking massive advantage of that. Next up, we've got my 2016 B8.5 Audi. I paid $16,000 for this car. Now this car is about $150 a month for insurance. And of course, yet again, I bought it in cash. I'm sure you're starting to see a trend. Gas wise, it's pretty good. So it's probably about, I don't know, $100 a month maybe for gas in this thing. And yeah, that's really about it. I mean, when you own your cars outright, it's not very expensive to keep them. Also, I probably should mention I'm not including any maintenance costs because I haven't had to do any maintenance this month. But obviously, maintaining 6 cars, the price can go up quite a bit each month, but this one's been pretty cheap. Second to last, got my 2018 BMW F30. I bought it basically brand new in 2019 for $30,000, and you'll never guess, I own it outright. Now, as far as insurance goes, this one's starting to get a little more expensive. This one comes in at $250 a month. Also, I would like to point out I'm only 22 years old, so my insurance prices are probably a little bit higher than some people that are a little older than me are, you know what I mean? But yeah, it is what it is. And as far as gas goes, this probably runs me about $250, $300 a month maybe. I drive it quite a bit. I really like this car. It's a great daily driver. So I mean, yeah, if you're in the market for a new daily, this is definitely a great option. I mean, check this interior out. Bam, got that red leather. With the carbon wheel, it goes crazy, bro. And finally, we've got my baby, my 2021 5.0 Mustang. Now, I bought this car brand new in 2021 for $52,000 after tax. And this one, I do have a payment on. I put $20,000 down and I'm paying about $600 a month, I think. I only have a year left on my term. Maybe a little more than a year. I can't remember. But yeah, $600 a month just for the car. And we've got a whopping $400 a month for insurance. Why it's so high, I do not know. It's disgusting. Now that is like full coverage, vandalism, like everything you can add is on there for insurance, but still $400 a month, like that is gross. It's not that nice of a car. And don't get me wrong, it is nice, I love it, but like, you know what I mean? Like it's not a Lambo, bro. Like there's no reason I'm paying $400 a month. Like that's absurd. And then on top of that, we have gas. I'm not sure how many of you own 5-liter V8s or just a V8 in general, but yeah, if you do, you know how bad these things eat gas. So yeah, this thing comes in at about $400 a month gas. Disgusting. Like bad. I kind of daily drive this too. Like it's between the F30 and this really that I pick to drive, but this one usually takes it because it's just way more fun. But I mean, that's really about it. Like for having 6 cars, I mean, granted, they're not the nicest cars in the world, but you know, I'm pretty proud of them. It's pretty cheap, I think, for 6. Also, check this out. Someone spilled coffee on my car, so that's just awesome. It's honestly not the first time something like this has happened either. Someone spilled Monster on my car while I was sleeping like a month ago. Someone's out to get me, bro. And last but not least, I forgot to mention my 2023 Gas 250. I paid $12,000 after tax for this bike. I own it outright again, and I pay, I think, $40 a month for storage insurance on this thing. I don't really ride it that much. Now, my math isn't good enough to do this all in my head, so give me a second and I'll tell you how much it is a month in the next clip. Okay, so I just finished calculating everything, and in total, I am paying $2,172 a month to own all 6 of my cars. But like I said before, that's not including general maintenance and all those other types of things that you can end up paying monthly. This is just the standard basic month to month that I pay no matter what, pretty much. Obviously, things like gas can fluctuate a little bit up and down depending on how much I drive a certain car, but the numbers I gave you in this video are pretty standard that usually I end up paying every single month. Now, obviously the Mustang takes a big chunk of that, and I have lost my license twice. I don't know if I've said that on my channel yet, but yeah, so my insurance premium has increased a little bit due to that. So insurance shouldn't be as much as it is, but you know, it's just something I got to deal with, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, overall, I'm not really surprised. I kind of expected it to be around there, obviously, but I don't think it's too bad. It definitely could be worse if I was financing all of them or something like that. So I'll take it. It's not too bad for owning 6 different vehicles, soon to be 7, hopefully. But yeah, with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next week for the next one. Peace.